Moving on to 16. Graphs of the function f and g are shown in the xy plane above. For which of the following values of x does f of x plus g of x equal 0? Now, we have some four choices: -3, -2, -1, and 0. Now, f of -3, let's look at -3 real quick. F of -3 and g of -3. Well, f of -3, let's count here. -1, 2, 3. -3, the f of -3 is some negative number. The g of -3, f is this curve. And so f of -3 is somewhere here. G of -3 is somewhere here. They're both negative. This is some negative number. This is some negative number. I'll use that for negative. But in any case, when you add two negative numbers, you're not going to get 0. So A is out. And so we have, really quick, what we're looking for, in order to add to 0, we need two numbers of opposite signs, like -8 and 8. Something like that. Two numbers, same magnitude, different signs. So we ruled out -3. Now let's look at -2. -1, -2. The f curve goes here, which is -2. The g curve goes here, which is +2. In other words, f of -2 plus g of -2, is the same as f of -2, this f curve, this is -2 on the y-coordinate. This one is +2 on the y-coordinate. This does give you 0. So the answer is going to be B. But let's look at C and D and see why those don't work. So for option C, we want to look at f of -1. -1 is here. Again, both the f curve and the g curve are negative when it comes to -1. The f curve would be somewhere around here. The g curve would be somewhere around here. They're both negative numbers. They're not going to add to 0. And finally, let's look at 0. Option D, 0. F of 0 is here, which is 2. So f of 0 plus, let's write a little nicer. F of 0 plus g of 0. F of 0 is 2. And g of 0 is way down here. It looks like -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It looks like -9. And that's not 0. So the answer is option B.